uh, base calling and assembly programs. मतलब base calling in the first step toward genome assembly is to drive base calls and assign associated quality sources. The second step is to assemble the sequence reads into the contiguous sequences. Or in the second step, this second step includes identifying overlaps between the fragments, assigning the order of a fragment, and deriving a consensus of an overlap sequence. Assembling all the shotgun fragments into a full genome is a computationally very challenging step. And the area there are area variety of programs available for processing the raw sequence data. Following is the selection of a base calling and assembly programs commonly used in the genome sequencing projects. And first, First step is FAIR. FAIR is a Unix program for the base calling. It uses a FIRE analysis to resolve fluorescent traces and predict actual peak location of bases. It also gives a probability score for each base call that may be attributed to the area error. The commonly accepted score threshold is 20, which correspond to a 1% chance of an error. मतलब, higher the score, the better the quality of a sequence read. मतलब, if the score value fall below the threshold, then human intervention is required. Then second step is FRAP. FRAP is a Unix program for sequence assembly. It takes FRAD FRAD base calls files with the quality source as input and align individual fragments in a pairwise uh, fashion using the Smith Waterman algorithm. The base quality information is taken into account during the pairwise alignment. After all the pairwise sequence similarity is identified, the program perform assembly by progressively merging sequence pair with the decreasing similarity scores while removing overlapped regions. Consensus Cartesians are derived just after joining all the overlapped reads. And then third is vex screen. Uh, Vexagreen. Vexagreen is a web-based program that helps detect contaminating bacterial vector sequences. Vexagreen is a system that quickly finds segment of nucleic acid sequence that may be of the vector origin. It helps researchers to identify and remove any segment of vector origin before they analyze or submit sequences. It scans an, an input nucleotide sequence and compare it with a database of known vector sequences by using the BLAST program. And fourth one is Tiger Assembler. Tiger Assembler is a Unix program for the Tiger for assembly of a large shotgun sequence fragments. It treats the sequence input as read without the consideration of a sequence quality. The main feature of the program is the application of a forward reverse constraints to avoid misassembly caused by the sequence repeat. The sequence alignment is the assembly stages performed using the Smith-Waterman algorithm. And the fourth one is Arachne. Arachne is a free Unix program for the assembly of a whole genome shootgun reads. Its unique feature include using a heuristic approach similar to the faster to align overlapping fragment, evaluating alignment using statistical scores. मतलब corresponding sequencing error based on the multiple sequence alignment and using forward reverse constraints. मतलब it accept base calls with associated quality sources assigned by the FAIR as input and produced scaffold or assembly assembled genome. And the last one is Euler. Euler is an assembly algorithm that uses a Eulerian superpath approach, which is a polynomial algorithm for solving puzzles, such as the famous traveling salesman problem, finding the shortest path away, visiting a given number of cities exactly once and returning to the starting point. In this approach, a sequence fragment is broken down to the tuples of a 20 nucleotide. The tuples are converted to the binary vector in the node. By using a vertebrae algorithm, the shortest path among the vector can be found, which is the best way to connect the tuples into a full sequence. Because this approach does not directly rely on detecting overlaps, it may be advantageous in assembly sequence with the repeat motifs. Okay, thank you.